Hi guys, this video is about the best laptop under Rs 35,000. So without any delay, let's jump on to the video. Now let's unbox the new Asus vivobook 14 laptop. And inside the box, we first see the Asus branding and then the laptop wrapped with a cloth cover. Let's take it aside. Now we have the documents given by the Asus, and we also have the equipment for the expansion of the storage. And we also have a 45-watt power brick, which is quite fast in charging the laptop. Now the MRP given in the box is Rs 46,000, but I bought it for around 34,000. Now let's quickly take the laptop out of the packaging. This one is silver color. And now let's boot up the laptop. And this one comes with the 256 GB SSD, which is really fast in booting up the Windows. So we have booted up our laptop, and this one comes with a pre-installed Windows 10 version, so no need of buying any other operating system. Now let's see the features of this laptop. This laptop has dual band Wi-Fi, and there are many other features which I will cover later in this video. Now let's see the ports present in the laptop. This one has a HDMI port, a USB port, a USB Type-C port, and a combo headphone jack. Now on the right side, we again have a USB port, a micro SD card reader, and then a lock for securing the laptop. And this one has a full HD resolution display. So let's look at the specs of this laptop. This one has the Intel's latest i3-10110U 10th generation processing, which has 2.1 GHz as the base clock speed and can be boosted up to 4.1 GHz. This also has the Intel's integrated UHD 620 graphics. For the processing power is more than enough for handling tasks like video conferencing, Word or Excel editing, and also streaming videos. And it also comes with a pre-installed Windows 10 version, which makes the experience even more snappy. Also, this has 4 GB DDR4 RAM installed and can be upgraded up to 12 GB, which gives more snappiness to this laptop. And this one also has a full HD display, so the pixels are very clear in this laptop. And this one also has a backlit keyboard, which helps to see the keys during night time or even in a low light condition. And the screen is also bright enough so we can see it during the night time. And the brightness of the backlit keyboard can be adjusted, and we also have a dedicated key to adjust the brightness of this backlit keyboard. And also the screen is bright enough that it goes up to 220 nits brightness at its peak. Now let's look at some negatives of this laptop. The first negative is we can't open the laptop using one hand, which is not a major problem for me, but some may feel it uncomfortable using two hands to open a laptop. Now the second one is, even though the display is full HD resolution, the viewing angle is not that good in this laptop. And these are the problems which I found during my usage of this laptop. I didn't find any other than those mentioned above. And as I said, this one has all the features present in Windows 10 version. And the brightness of this laptop is also decent. This laptop also has a decent webcam. But the feature I like the most in this laptop is the small LED indicator present near the webcam, which turns on to notify me that the webcam is being used. I'll show this. As I'm using a webcam in a Zoom application, the LED indicator turns up to notify me that the webcam is being used. Moving on to the storage, this one has the 256 GB SSD, which has this free space of around 200 GB, which is really good for this price. And if you want to upgrade, we can upgrade it using a free slot. So guys, this laptop is highly recommended for students and workers who are in need for a laptop for their video conferencing or online classes or for small editing works like Word, Excel, etc. This laptop works very great for those uses. But if you are a video editor or you need intense graphics, then this laptop is not at all suitable for you, because this one has only integrated graphics. So if you are a video editor, I'll suggest you to extend your budget even more, few thousands, and get a laptop of around 50,000 to edit your videos. But if you need only for basic usage, then this laptop is the best. Now let's look at the viewing angles of this laptop. As I mentioned before, the viewing angles of this laptop and the color accuracy is not that good. So if you need accurate colors, then this laptop is not suitable for you. So guys, that's all for this video, and catch you in the next video. Please do subscribe my channel to get more videos, and also don't forget to like and share this video. It just takes typically 2 to 3 seconds to do so. Thank you.